Established 16 years ago, KKIPC Sdn Bhd continuously strives to deliver a secure, reliable and scalable ICT solution and services to meet our customers' specific needs. Our mission is to provide competent, responsive ICT solutions and services that conforms to industry best practices. We focus on continuous improvement to enhance clients' business competency. KKIPC, together with its subsidiary company, Digital Heritage Sdn Bhd, continue to serve our clientele, especially the state government and corporate customers, with the best possible ICT solutions, services, and after-sales support. Expansion of Sabanet. Further enhancement of Sabanet continues in 2012. We have now approximately 380 government sites all over the state. Another 114 sites have been scheduled for 2013. Data Recovery Center. Our Data Recovery Center serves as a backup to Sabanet that enables fast restoration in the event of unforeseen disaster. It utilizes cutting-edge technology that provides the highest level of confidentiality and a fast turnaround time. Sabah State Data Center. The Sabah State Data Center Services offers server hosting and IT outsourcing services. It uses high-level security with state-of-the-art world-class facilities. Digital Heritage Sdn Bhd, specialized in corporate integrated office systems CIOS and multimedia productions, our subsidiary company Digital Heritage continues to serve its corporate clients with customized software and multimedia developments. Believing in philosophy that focuses on continuous improvement, 2012 witnessed KKIPC expanding its scope in the ISO 9001-2008 by including the data center services in its quality management system. The data center services was then successfully ISO certified as of 26 September 2012. To further equip ourselves better for the future, we aim to implement an information security management system through the ISO 27001 standard by 2013. In tackling the rapid technology changes and challenges, KKIPC optimizes its workforce through comprehensive human capital programs. Our technical manpower is well equipped with various professional certification and has attended numerous technical and non-technical training courses either locally or abroad. In an initiative to further promote team spirit and harmony within the work environment, KKIPC has organized various staff activities under its sports and recreational club. Some activities in 2012 include KKIPC Paintball Tournament, 7K Sunset Charity Run, rock climbing, bowling tournament and other sports activities. Additionally, the annual Majlis Hari Raya was organized for all its clients, suppliers and business associates. In addition, KKIPC has joined several of the Ministry of Resource Development and IT activities. The unique combination of skilled manpower, effective processes and state-of-the-art technology allows KKIPC to deliver high-quality IT experience to our customers. Our valuable customers tap on our reliable IT outsourcing services so they can focus on their core business, thus strengthen their competitive edge with optimal technology. It is the company's hope that its continuous improvement and lifelong learning journey will eventually produce a higher level of operational excellence for all our loyal business partners and clients.